Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Home, Happy Life. Rakhi is around the corner, so I thought of sharing quick Indian veg thali recipe for any special occasion. Let's start with karai paneer. In a hot oil, add some cumin seed and let it crackle. Add chopped onion, ginger garlic and saute nicely till onion is brown and raw smell of garlic goes off. Add 2 finely chopped tomatoes and cook it nicely. Adding salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and little bit of garam masala powder. And mix them evenly. Let it cook for some time and then add paneer pieces. Add water if required and let it cook for some time. Add cubed capsicum and onion. Crush and add some kasuri methi. Cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes at low flame. Next recipe is Bhindi Masala. Add some oil and fry bhindi till they are completely cooked. Keep an eye and stir in between. Once the crunchiness of the bhindi is gone, it's cooked. Keep them aside. Add some hing and jeera. Once jeera is nice and brown, add chopped onion, ginger garlic paste and fry till they become translucent. Add chopped tomatoes and saute till it becomes soft. If the mixture looks dry, you can add little water. Adding salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder and garam masala powder. Add around 1 tablespoon of yogurt, add some water and keep stirring. Once gravy is cooked, add fried bhindi and simmer till gravy is well coated over the bhindi. Next is rice kheer. Here milk is boiling for quite some time. I have soaked the rice and grinded it coarsely. Once the milk is boiled, add the rice and some cardamom powder and let it cook on low flame. Once the rice is cooked and milk also thickened somewhat, add sugar. Keep stirring in between so that lumps are not formed. Once done, add sliced dry fruits of your choice. Eggplant Pakora. This is a famous Bengali dish known as beguni. Take 3 to 4 spoons of besan, add ajwain seed, salt, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder and make the batter adding very little amount of water. I have soaked the eggplant in salt water for some time. Coat the eggplant nicely with the batter and fry at medium flame till both the sides are brown. In the same oil, fry some cute baby puris, and the super delicious veg thali is ready to serve for your loved ones. Hope you have enjoyed these recipes. Please give it a like, share, and comment down below your favorite recipe. Wishing all of you a very happy Raksha Bandhan. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and be a part of our happy home. And I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care, have fun, and as always, keep making lots of memories. Bye bye.